For the arcade game emulator, I decided to play Street Fighter. My first game on the 3DS was Street Fighter 4, and compared to that game, the graphics here are much worse. But that's because the game Street Fighter 4 is 20 years newer. I was not expecting these graphics to be in black and white, because colored TV was created over 40 years ago. This game was released in 1991, and still I get a sense that this game was created in the 80s. Right off the start, when I started the game, I see that there are only 9 characters, even though in Street Fighter 4, there are over 20 characters to choose from. I see the classic characters such as Ken, Ryu, and Chun-Li. It's crazy to see how far this game has gone in 20 years with so many new characters. When I play this game, I see that you can pick a character and a map to start out with. It seems that there are only 2 controls, a punch and a kick. When I play this game, I see that there are many similarities to the fighting games I have played, such as Mortal Kombat and Marvel vs. Capcom. I see that they give you points based on how much health you have and how much time it takes for you to knock out the opponent. Such as other fighting games, it seems that they give you 2 rounds to try to beat the opponent. It's a best of 2. To me, Street Fighter has always been a classic, and when I go to the arcade, I always try to play this game. Oh, I lost. Dang. Beat up. Overall, this game is a fun game, and I would recommend it to other people.